Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a peek at my new Louis Vuitton bag, and I am going to be filling it up with my fall and winter essentials. From my dry skin saviors to the makeup products that I just cannot live without, these are the products that I keep on rotation all season long. So let's go ahead and unbox my new Louis Vuitton bag and let me show you how I'm going to organize it. Most recently, I purchased this makeup bag by Charlotte Tilbury and I have fallen in love with the design. The fact that when you unzip it and it lays flat, I just keep all of my makeup essentials in here and I absolutely have been loving it. I've been keeping all of my makeup brushes as well as my go-to makeup products in here, and I just keep this on my vanity and it's perfect to travel with. So when I saw that Louis Vuitton has a similar type of bag, I knew that this was time to go ahead and purchase a Louis Vuitton makeup toiletry type of bag. And here it is. I honestly just went into the store to see what they have, and I did ask the sales associate whether or not they had this particular bag, and they did. So when she took it out for me, I immediately knew I had to purchase it. So I figured I'd go ahead and record an unboxing and just show you kind of what my essentials are during the fall and winter season. Usually I go ahead and prepare everything in advance so that I have everything handy. So here it is, and it is packaged like so. Just go ahead and open this. It's a mechanism where you have to push down and then open it. And here is the cute little bag. Just a disclaimer, I know that this is a splurge and it's not something that you particularly need, but I feel like a bag like this will last for many years to come. And I know that I'm going to be using this pretty much on a daily basis. Me personally, I like to have a little bag, you know, on my vanity. So this is going to be in my bathroom vanity, and then I'm going to keep this on my makeup vanity. So let me show you what it looks like. So it looks like so, and it is very roomy, but at the same time, I feel like when I travel, it's pretty easy to just take with me because it's not going to be as heavy, and I just love the design of this particular bag. And inside, it looks like so. As you can see, it is very roomy. Just take out the tags here. So it is all fully leather, so very easy to clean, and that is something that I wish this bag had, because this one is not as easy to clean, whereas I feel like with leather it will be. So it has a lot of different compartments, and I just love it so much, and I feel like you can fit so much in here. You can lay it flat when you're using it. You don't have to kind of take out all of the products and put them out. You can just keep them right in there, and then once you're done, you just close it and then you zip it back. I do want to share with you some products that I personally have been using and loving over the fall season, and I will be carrying into the winter season. First off, for hair care, I have been loving this Moroccan oil treatment mist. Now, I love Moroccan oil products. I have been using their shampoo and conditioner for years, and I do like their Moroccan oil. I usually use the Moroccan oil, the original one, about once to twice a week. I just feel like the protein that's inside the oil really helps my hair just stay very nice and smooth. But I was so excited when I heard that they were making a treatment mist. Now this is a very fine mist. I'll just show you. It's very fine, and I usually spray this when my hair is damp. Just brush my hair through and then I go ahead and dry it or allow it to air dry. But I've been loving this. It has the beautiful Moroccan oil scent, and I think this is an absolute must-have this fall and winter season. Now let's get into skincare. So I have been using a microcurrent device and absolutely loving it. Now, when it comes to skincare, I am huge on skincare, and if you watch my channel, I usually share with you quite a few skincare products as well as devices that I love to use. Even though there's not a lot of studies for microcurrent devices, I do love them and I've been using them for years. And recently I've been using the ZIIP Halo microcurrent device and I have been loving this. I feel like this is the best microcurrent device that I have ever used. I have been keeping it in its original box because I've been waiting to see where I'm going to store it. I'm usually like that whenever it comes to a product or a tool. I keep it in its original box until I figure out where I'm going to safely put it. And now that I have my toiletry bag, this is going in there. This device is great to lift, sculpt, smooth, clear, and give your overall complexion a very nice glow. It is powered through electricity and it brings the lift and brightness to balance your skin. It uses microcurrent as well as nanocurrent technology to lift the skin. It does come with the tool itself, but also it does come with, of course, the charging USB charger, and then as well as conducting gel. I've used so many microcurrent gels and I have to say this is one of the best I've ever used because I don't have to reapply it. Once I apply a couple of pumps all over my skin, I feel like I can really do a full treatment without reapplying. Whereas with other brands, I had to usually reapply multiple times because I felt that the gel would just dry up. One of the gels that I have been using and loving is the silver gel. This one is perfect for hydration and I tend to have really dry skin, especially during the winter season, and this has been a savior. I usually apply a couple of pumps of this before I use my ZIIP Halo tool, and this intensely hydrates the skin. Once I apply the gel, I am then ready for my treatment with the ZIIP Halo. So I go ahead and use the app because it does sync with the app, and then I turn the tool on. So it beeps like so, and then it connects to the app. And then just depending on the treatment, I go ahead and use this device to really brighten, soothe, and lift my skin. I would also like to purchase the clear gel. This one's great for acne prone skin, and I do tend to have acne prone skin. So I would love to purchase this for those days where I do have some breakouts on my skin. I have all of my products, both skincare as well as makeup. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in and let's organize my bag and put all of the products that are must-haves for the fall and winter season and show you how I'm going to organize them. Starting with my favorite lip products, these are my go-to lip products. So we have some Chanel lipsticks, Mademoiselle, a Demi Matte, and then shade 77. And then we have this On Stage lipstick by Dior. This has easily become one of my favorite lipsticks that just came out this year. And then I have the Louis Vuitton lipstick, a lip glow oil by Dior. And then this one over here, this is a sunscreen lip peptide shine lip gloss. I pretty much use this daily, especially in the morning, and then reapply. And I have the Rouge Coco Flash in shade Boy. And then a couple of lip liners. We have a Dior and a Chanel lip liner, but these are my go-to lip products. Now for some complexion products as well as mascara. This here is by Color Science. It is the Color Science Flex Face Shield, and it's pretty much a tinted face moisturizer. It has SPF 50, and I just love this. I pretty much apply this every day. And then this has to be one of my favorite eye concealer. It's also by Color Science. It has SPF 35. I apply this daily, especially on work days. I just apply this under my eyes. It does not crease at all. So love this. If I want a concealer with more coverage, then my go-to is usually Natasha Denona. And then I have the Color Science mascara. Love this mascara. It is in shade brown, and this is pretty much my everyday type of mascara. And then my Dior mascara as well if I want a black mascara for every day. Then I have the Dior Show Brow Styler and two eyeliners, one in shade Cocoa. This is by Victoria Beckham. They are my favorite eyeliners, and then a black shade as well. The Armani liquid eyeshadows are also my go-to, and then I also love this one by Lisa Eldridge. And then of course my Louis Vuitton eyeshadow palette, as well as my Dior bronzer and a Dior blush. And this shade is in Rosewood. I've really been loving this shade here, and it's perfect for the fall and winter. But these are pretty much my go-to makeup products that I reach out for most, and they will be going in my LV cosmetic bag. Now putting everything in the bag, so I'm going to start off with my lip products. This here, and I'll put my LV lipstick in here. And then the lip liners. For my eyeliner and my brow pencil, I'm just going to go ahead and put this in here just for easy access. And then we have some complexion products. I love that you could just kind of put everything in here. It's so roomy. And then for the mascara and concealer. And for my foundation or tinted moisturizer. And then we have some eyeshadows as well. And then this is where my ZIIP Halo is going to live from now on. And then I think for the gels, I'm just going to go ahead and have these out for the time being for easy access. And that's about it for now. And there's so much room. And these are my everyday essentials. If I was to travel anywhere, it's just so easy to grab this bag and go. And as you can see, I can still add so much in here. But for now, this is basically what I would use for an everyday type of look. Now for my skincare, I do have a skincare fridge. And this also keeps everything nice and neat. So I have my Elemis products. I really love this eye brightener here. It's not a concealer per se, but it is an illuminating tinted eye cream, and I really love this. And then my drying lotion for when I get acne, and my night eye cream. This has retinol in it, lip products, and then I have my retinol, my nighttime moisturizer, which is the Power Defense by ZO Skin, my toner and serum. And then I do have a couple of products down here as well. And then these are all of my lip products, and I do also have an eye serum as well by ZO Skin. And then this is a gua sha tool as well. So this is pretty much how I organize everything in my bathroom to keep everything nice and clean and organized. I am all set for the fall and winter season, so this is how I would organize my new Louis Vuitton toiletry bag. I'm so excited for this bag. I love the design of it, love how simple it is, and I love the fact that when I open it, everything is nicely organized and I can just lay it flat on my vanity, use the products that I need, and then close it back up. You absolutely don't need to splurge on a Louis Vuitton toiletry bag, even though it is nice to have. I do love Louis Vuitton leather, but Charlotte Tilbury does create a larger type of bag with a similar design. It is not leather, so it's not as easy to clean. But she does create a larger bag that's a similar design. So if you are inspired by how to organize your toiletry bag like this, then I would recommend definitely the Charlotte Tilbury alternative. Ultimately, I hope that my video inspired you on how to organize your must-haves this fall and winter season and gave you a few ideas of the products that really have been working for me. And that's it for my video today. If you are not subscribed to my channel, definitely be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you are interested in any more of my videos, I will leave a couple more right here for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.